leaving this money as well also. So this is a usual thing, okay? Yes, it's a usual thing. All right. All these they are leaving this money. They are all leaving this money. Okay, back to it. You can see it is very easy for us to be making lotions or face creams or body creams, and we'll be seeing results just because of bad combination. As you can see all this, you will think I use oil. I never used oil. I only use few things. First of all, I put my base. My base were just about 100 gram. Yes, exactly. My base were just 100 gram, and this is the base I use. I use this base. Okay, it is called egg yolk whitening base cream. I took 100 gram of this egg yolk whitening base cream. Then I now took my male white powder. This is my male white powder. I took male white powder 50 gram and I dissolve it with my propylene glycol and I put inside the base. Then mix, then I turn. Just go with me, it is very simple. And I turn. And then after that, I put my vitamin E, which is right here with me. Also, I put just 5, I break 5 of this inside. Okay? That is the formula I'm trying to derive at. I put 5 and I put my propylene glycol. I just put 1 spoon to blend it proper. After which I look at it. I wanted to put this small serum, but powerful as well. This glutathione concentrate, original, instant whitening. I wanted to put it and I wanted to put it, and I also wanted to put this. But I thought of it. I said, no, this could be waste. You understand? Why not take my Malawi oil? It's finished, though it's finished. I took my Malawi oil and I apply. I put 50 ml of my Malawi oil inside here. Then after which I put my tea tree because it's very good. The smell, okay, let me put it, the smell is ash. So I put a drop of it and I put my, AHA. Okay, I put my AHA also. Then I look again. I wanted to put 2 of this and 2 of this, but I said no. This is whitening we're talking about, and you don't know who might use this and how it's gonna look on him or on her or whoever wants to use it, because we make our lotion for everybody to use these days. I just decide no. I drop all that. Instead of me putting this, I put 1 of this. All right. After putting 1 of that, then I put my Blend Pro 9 activator. Look at it. Blend Pro 9 activator. So this is the real magic, and this. Okay, these 2 items I showed to you, They are the items that will always change the effectiveness of that lotion we're making now. Then I put my berry skin milk. I put 1 spoon. Then I put my caramella oil. I put 1 spoon. All right. I could have put all this, no, all this, but no. Rather, I just put collagen because it's good for collagen to always be in your lotion. All right. Instead of me putting this, I put my Dubai Crude Kenacol. Okay. Then another thing again, you see this lotion is also part of my base. Okay, it's also part of my base. But what time did I put it? You can put it to whichever time you want. Okay, I put 50 ml of this lotion. Okay, then I blend proper. If you can see, it's 270 everything we've got. Okay, then I blend proper. It's not by you taking everything in here and put inside that will really give you effective. No, rather, what are the things I'm showing you? These are the things I'm showing you. The number one, if you're considering to make this whitening, if you use this product and it doesn't work, call me a liar. If you use this product, it doesn't work, call me a liar. Okay? And if you use this product, it doesn't work, call me a liar. So there are some few products I'm just showing you that you have to respect. When using them, you have to respect them. Don't just add them like the way you see them. Okay? Because if you just add them the way you see them, like without it, you will just be bleaching yourself. You understand? So you put them by percentage. So in other words, I put our preservative 1 spoon. It's just for me to blend, and I put my fragrance also. Then I think we're done. All right. So you can give it a try and also call at me. The effective things I just told you about. Know that this egg yolk is quite different from. Look at it. Egg yolk based cream is different, and it works a lot. It works a lot. So don't forget again, I said we ship everywhere. You can see all this item. We're sending them out this morning. All right. Okay. So place your order. If you know you can do it, fine. The key product I show you, blend pronine activator, then this caramella whitening oil, plus this Malawi. Those are the key products. So remain blessed. You can check on our website as well too, to do your shopping. Yes, our website is up.